Hi, welcome to Young Readers Children's Reading Club. Today in this slide, we'll try to understand what is Young Readers. You may be having many questions. What do we do? How do we do? Why we do? So let's start knowing about it. What is Young Readers? It's a children's reading club. Children from the age of 4 to 14, that's the age where they're developing their reading skills and also personality. In that age group, they read along with the friends and develop their reading skills and interests. So it's a children's reading club. The vision of Young Readers is to developing happy, independent readers. In a sense, let the readers, the children from the 4 to 14 years age group, be an independent reader by themselves and also be happy about reading. That's the vision of Young Readers, developing happy, independent readers. The mission and how do we do it? By providing supportive and positive reading experience. Why they need supportive and positive? The age group of 4 to 14, when they are started to know the letters and phonics and frame the words and sentences, they will find difficulties, they will mispronounce, or they're just challenging for them. So they need the support and the positive atmosphere where they can make mistakes and correct their mistakes, especially those so-called growth mistakes they can overcome. That's why we provide supportive and positive reading experience through which young readers can develop reading interest and skills. So with such an support, and it's easier for the children to develop the interest without not criticizing them too much. How? By reading, sharing, and speaking graded storybooks. So once they read, they understand what is the story, and by sharing with their friends and with their buddies, they're developing their communication skills. And speaking about the story, they tell what they comprehend and develop their public speaking and get away the stage fear. And using a graded story means the books suitable for their reading level from Oxford Reading Trees, Ladybird series, Scholastics, and many other graded storybooks. So what's the position of Young Readers? See, we said Young Readers, the Children's Reading Club, it's a reader-centered library 3.0. We provide reading as a service where parents and children can experience reading. So to develop this happy independent reader, the first they're going to read, understand what they're reading, the storybooks, and share the storybooks with their peers. It's called peer reading and learning like a sport. And speak, tell a story, what they read. So get them to telling stories, public speaking, and gain confidence and to speak on the stage. So this way we help the child, provide the child with opportunities to be a happy, independent reader. How do we do it? Young Readers have its 5 solutions. The first solution is choosing a reading scheme. We have started reading Oxford Reading Tree schemes. These are the books designed for children to start reading at their level from level 1 to level 12. Then pathways, reading pathways. Every child reads a book of his interest based on his reading level. So this way, in the class, during the reading session, there's a lot of variety and interesting stories. Then reader's passport. The child records the books he has been reading and the words he has read, the sentences he liked, and the feelings by reading the story. This way it becomes the purpose, the center of the reading work. Then the reader session, they come to the reader sessions and share their readings with their friends, reading aloud by telling the stories and discussing with their friends. And finally, they get timely rewarded for their reading efforts. When they read 5 books, they get one reward. When they read 15 books, they get another reward. Like that, they're going to read books at every SMART goal, 5, 15, 30, 50, 100 books. So a child would be progressively encouraged and motivated to read more. This way they will persist and continue to read more and develop their reading skills and interest. Yes, welcome to young readers, to read more, and to read happily. Let your child enjoy the experience of reading happily at Young Readers.